Hello everyone! As you already know, each year are coming a new anime, so in this video I am going to show you some few animes what they have been chosen, what I could watch next year, and I think they are pretty good, so let's go. The first one is Mairi Machida Ilumacon. I really suggest you to watch it because I watched a first season and I think it was so good. I just love it, and like I think Ilumacon is really funny, and I just love how I just love him. As you already maybe know, Mairi Machida Ilumacon, the next year spring is coming a second season. When I watch these pictures, I know that I'm going to watch this. I know it. The next is Tensei Shitara Slime Dataken. As you already maybe know, or some of you don't know, but Tensei Shitara Slime Dataken, there is also coming a second season of this anime, and this second season's genres are comedy and fantasy. If you like animes where it's a comedy and fantasy mixed and some actions and that stuff, then this is for you. But if you haven't watched the first season, I suggest you to watch it. I think this is pretty good, but for my style, it doesn't really suit because it's weird. And the next one is Machirano Odo. This anime is just about a shamisen whose grandfather has raised him. Shamisen plays a traditional Japanese music instrument, and her grandfather raised him and his little brother. But since his grandfather passed away, he had to drop out of the school and move to Tokyo, not knowing what to do next. And he was kind of really confused and scary because he didn't know what to do. And when he played, he met a rich saxophone, a rich mother, Umeko. And started that day, Shamisen start to going to school again. But the most he wants to do is to play Japanese traditional instrumental. I think this anime is pretty interesting because even I haven't seen it yet, I already know what is going to happen. And the genres are music, drama, and school. So in this genre, you can maybe think what kind of anime this is. I think this is also really interesting anime because I really like to watch some music animes and where people try to find their dreams and that stuff. So I think this anime is going to be really good. So let's go to the next one. Next one is Shikunetsu Kabaddi. So this anime is really typical anime where the main character doesn't like some sports, but after when some club members invited him to try that sport, then he becomes interesting in that and starting to go that club. So this anime's genres are sports. So if you like animes where it's only sports, I suggest you to watch this because when I see these pictures, I think this is also really good anime. And there's a lot of actions, a lot of kind of good twisted, and let's see how it turns out. The next anime is Koito Yobu ni wa Kimochi Warui. If you like anime where it's a romance and comedies, I suggest you to watch this because it's like a really, you can just chill when you watch it, and this anime tells about a strange meeting with two people and about their siblings and friends and like that stuff. And this anime tells about a guy who want to straight approach a girl, while a girl is really disgusted about a guy. So this is like a normal anime where it's some other person doesn't like other person, but then they madly fall in love when the episode goes on. So I think I'm actually going to watch this anime because it sounds really interesting to me. And the next and last one is Fumetsu no Anatae. So these anime genres are ultimately shown as drama and supernatural. If you like this kind of anime, then this anime is for you because it's really emotional and it's just about a person where he has no emotion or identity and also about a friendship with a wolf and human. So I think this anime is it will be really emotional but sometimes really interesting to watch and and we can see how person will survive on his own where is no other humans around. So I think the next year spring is coming really good and there are coming really awesome animes. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you at the next time. Bye!